Using our GoatFX, we're gonna line up his C cup. I usually start off in the bottom and work my way to the top arch. I don't know, I just find it a little bit easier and better to manage that way. Now we're gonna take down the beard with the 3 guard all the way open. After we're done debulking a beard, we can move on to the fade. I'm starting off with my no guard all the way open and slowly closing the lever. I'm using my 1.5 guard all the way open to go with the grain and against the grain just to help me blend into the beard. Now some extra detailing with our clipper over comb method. Moving on to his hairline, we're going to clip up the long hairs just so I don't cut them and comb down all the baby hairs and debulk them with the 1 guard all the way open. Now that we're done debulking his hairline, we could go ahead with our GoatFX and start off in the middle, working our way to the sides. When lining your client up, you want to be very steady and slow to the touch. You don't want to rush or Before I line my client's beard up, I usually lay them back a little bit. So now that I have him laid back, we're gonna make his beard as crispy as possible. Okay guys, now that we got the right angle, we're gonna go ahead and create our first guideline with our shears on top of the capitus and work our way to the sides, connecting that same guideline. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you made it this far into the video. We're pretty much finished with the cut. We're moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades. We're gonna do his eyebrows, his beard, his mustache, and his lining. We're gonna make it as crispy as possible. Again, thank you guys for watching. I love y'all.